Namaskar, I am Sanjay Dubey. Welcome in Samma Engineer channel. In this video, we will discuss SSC JEE Civil 2018 examination held on 23rd September 19 in evening shift. Basic value of span to effective depth ratio for span up to 10 meter for cantilever is. To control the vertical deflection limit, basic value of span to effective depth ratio for span up to 10 meter for cantilever is 7, for simply supported beam is 20, and for continuous beam and slab is 26. Next question. Aerobic attached growth process is classified under. The treatment of sewage is divided into 3 stages. Preliminary treatment, in which we remove floating materials and heavy settle-level inorganic solids. Primary treatment, in which we remove large suspended organic solids. Secondary treatment, also known as biological treatment, in which bacteria decompose fine organic matter. Trickling filter. Aerobic attached growth process. Aerobic suspended culture is used in activated sludge process. So, the correct answer is biological treatment. Next question. Space soil cannot achieve the plastic state of consistency. The difference of liquid limit and plastic limit is known as plasticity index. Plasticity index indicates the range of water content at which the soil behaves in plastic state. If the Pi value is 0, then the soil is non-plastic. Sand and coarse grained soil, the value of plasticity index is 0 and cannot achieve the state of plastic state. Next question. Which shape line indicate presence of ridge? From the contour line diagram, we can see the higher values are inside the loop. It indicates a ridge line. Contour line cross ridge lines at right angles. The shape of the contour line of ridge resembles with English alphabet U. Next question. For underwater construction, space cement is used. For underwater construction, quick shaping cement is used, which consists a small percentage of aluminium sulfate. It is grinded much finer than ordinary Portland cement. Initial setting time of quick setting cement is 5 minutes and final setting time is 30 minutes. So it can be used when the concrete is to be laid under water or in running water. It is also used in grouting purpose. Next question. This is a book of Estimating and Costing published by Sammo Engineers, available at Amazon India and sammoengineers.com. Next question. A fall is constructed to. Whenever available ground slope is steeper than the bed slope of the canal, the difference is adjusted by constructing vertical falls at suitable intervals to destroy the surplus energy of the water. Next question. The color of stale and septic sewage. In sewage, if the color is black or brown, it indicates stale and septic sewage. If the color of sewage is yellowish, grey or light brown, it indicates fresh sewage. Next question. A procedure of actual costing and valuation an item of work on the basis of labors and material required is correct option is C. Day work. Day work. Certain items of work which cannot measure are valued and paid on the basis of day work. Example of such work are design in plaster work, work under water, architectural finish of building, etc. Next question. The ratio of stress induced due to sudden applied axial load to stress induced due to gradually applied axial load on the bar is stress developed due to sudden applied load sigma s is equal to 2p divided by a, where p is the load and a is the area of cross section of the bar. Stress developed due to gradual loading sigma g is equal to p upon a. So the ratio of sudden stress developed due to sudden applied load to the stress developed due to gradually applied load is 2. The spacing of struts in a beam. Struts are provided in beam to resist the shear stress as the shear force is maximum at the support and decreases toward the center. So the spacing of strut is minimum at the support and decrease and increase toward the center of beam. Next question. This is a book of surveying published by Sammo Engineers, available at sammoengineers.com and Amazon India also. Next question. A fluid which has shear stress is proportional to the rate of shear strain is called Newtonian fluid. In figure 2, in figure A and B are the Newtonian fluid or ideal fluid. Fluid which is incompressible and no viscosity, no surface tension are known as ideal fluid. Next question. Ordinary glass is also called as soda lime glass. Soda lime glass is obtained by fusing a mixture of silica, lime and soda. This is the most common type of glass used in doors, window and for making glassware such as bottles. So it can assumed as ordinary glass, but the commission has rejected the question in revised answer key. Next question. The SI unit of kinematic viscosity is. The ratio of dynamic viscosity to density of the fluid is known as kinematic viscosity. The SI unit of kinematic viscosity is meter square per second. CGS unit is stroke, which is equal to centimeter square per second. 1 stroke is equal to 10 to the power minus 4 meter square per second. Next question. The degree of curve for a 30 meter chain is the angle of unit chord of length 30 meter sustained at the center of the circle is known as degree of curve. For 30 meter arc or 30 meter chord, degree of curve is equal to 1719 divided by r. For a 20 meter arc, degree of curve is equal to 1146 divided by r. Next question. An error due to earth curvature and refraction is to be corrected using error due to curvature of earth and refraction is called combined error, and combined correction is equal to curvature correction plus refraction correction, which is equal to minus 0.0785 d square plus 0.0112 d square, which is equal to minus 0.0673 d square meter, where d is the distance in kilometer. Next question. This is book published by Sammo Engineers, available at sammoengineers.com and Amazon India. Next question. Development length is inversely proportional to, as per IS 456, development length LD is equal to 5 sigma s divided by 4 tau BD, where tau BD is design bond stress, which is given by formula 0.016 FCK whole power 2 by 3. So the development length is inversely proportional to design bond stress. Next question. The process by which timber is cut and sawn into the section is called conversion of timber. So option A is the correct answer. There are three methods of conversion of timber. First one, ordinary sawing. In this method, saw cuts are tangential to the annual rings. In quarter sawing, saw cut right angle to each other. In tangential sawing, saw cut are tangential to the annual ring. In seasoning of timber, the process of drying of timber in which sap is removed is called seasoning of timber. Preservation of timber is done to increase the life of the timber and to make it durable and resistant against fungi and insects. Next question. Which of the following dam classified based on the structural design? Dams are classified according to use as storage dam. Example are gravity dam, earth dam, rockfill dam and arch dam. Diversion dam, weir and barrage, and detention dam, dike, tabriz, etc. Dams are classified on the basis of hydraulic design. Are overflow dam like spillway and non-overflow dam. Examples are gravity dam, earth dam and rockfill dam. So option B, gravity dam is the correct answer. Next question. The unified soil classification system was originally developed by. Correct answer is Casgrande. Mohs developed the shear strength of theory of shear strength or Mohr stress circle. Atterberg proposed the consistency limit of soil. Terzaghi, which is known as father of soil mechanics, gives the theory of one-dimensional consolidation, effective stress principle. Next question. Which type of particle has the least self-cleaning velocity? The velocity which would not permit the solid to settle down and even scout the deposited material must be developed into the sieve at least once a day. Self-cleaning velocity is equal to 1 by n r power 2 by 3 under root kd bracket g minus 1. So Vs is proportional to under root d. So finer the particle, lesser will be the self-cleaning velocity. So option D, fine clay and silt, is the correct answer. On sammoengineers.com, free demo test also available for SSC JEE 2020, UPPSC, AE Civil. Next question. The submerged weight of soil solid per unit volume is known as. Correct answer is buoyant unit force. When a soil mass is submerged below the groundwater table, a buoyant force acts on the soil solid, which is equal to the magnitude of the weight of the water displaced by solid. The net weight of solid is reduced. The net weight is known as submerged weight or buoyant unit weight. Next question. In practice, flow velocity adopted for the design of grid chamber. In sewage treatment, grid chamber is used to remove inorganic particles of size like between 0.1 mm to 1 mm. Detention time of grid chamber is kept between 30 to 60 seconds. Velocity of flow is usually taken as 15 to 30 centimeter per second. So the option D is the correct answer. Next question. In masonry, no deduction is made for. No deduction are made for the masonry having opening or holes area up to or less than 1000 square meter, which is equal to 0.1 square meter or 1 square feet. So the correct answer is option D. Next question. The limiting depth of neutral axis for the beam having effective depth of 400 millimeter with Fe 250 grade steel is. Limiting depth of neutral axis for Fe 250 grade steel is given by 0.5 D, where D is the effective depth of the beam equal to 400 mm. Keeping these values, we get limiting depth of neutral axis equal to 212 mm. Next question. The chemical formula for lime is. The chemical formula for lime is calcium oxide or CaO. CaO is found in natural association with magnesium oxide. Calcium oxide is available in nature in the form of limestone, which has a large proportion of calcium carbonate. Next question. The binding material in mortar is also called cement, lime and clay used as binding material impart adhesive power and strength and is called matrix. Sand work as adulterant, which increase the crushing strength of the mortar and reduce the cost of mortar. Water acts as lubricant in the mortar. Next question. The process of maintaining the moisture and temperature condition of concrete so that concrete develop hardened properties over time is called curing. Curing is the process of preventing the loss of moisture from the concrete. Next question. Good brick earth should contain a space of aluminium. In the manufacture of brick, the soil composition or earth composition must be such that alumina or clay 20 to 30%, silica or sand 50 to 60%, lime must be less than 5%. Next question. Sarda type fall was designed to. Sarda type fall was designed to, option D, minimize the depth of cutting, because in Sarda canal system a thin layer of sandy clay overlies a stratum of pure sand. If the canal bed was to be cut deep and up to the sand stratum, then seepage losses would be tremendous. Hence, the depth of cutting had to be kept low, necessitating the construction of large number of small falls. Next question. Which of the following is an assumption for Bernoulli equation? Following are the assumptions in Bernoulli equation. Flow is steady, flow is ideal, flow is incompressible means no variation of density of fluid. Flow is one dimensional. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share the video and subscribe the channel.